Did you ever think my no glue slime recipes were fake, a scam, or even a joke? Well, don't you worry, because in today's video, I'm going to be debunking all of that. So let's get right into the video. No glue slime recipes are no joke to me. For years I've been on YouTube, I've been told I lie about my recipes. I switch them out with glue or slime, just the craziest things. So I thought in today's video I would debunk all of that for you guys. So if you want to learn more about no glue slime recipes and my most viral ones, continue watching the video. But also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. Comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be debunking 3 of my most viral no glue slime recipes that you guys seem to love, but also some of you seem to not understand if they're real or fake. So those recipes will be toilet paper slime, hand sanitizer slime, and of course, lotion slime. These videos have gone viral here on YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms. So let's get exposing these recipes today. Let's start out this video with the iconic no glue hand sanitizer slime. This recipe is what started my YouTube channel out, and you guys seem to love this recipe ever since then. So the ingredients you guys need to make no glue hand sanitizer slime is any type of thick body wash. You guys will need hand sanitizer, of course. I love using Bath & Body Works. You guys will need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I posted a few no glue slime recipes before I actually posted no glue hand sanitizer slime on my YouTube channel. And the first one is actually just hand sanitizer. But I updated the recipe along the way by adding soap and stuff into there. So you guys can use any type of body wash. I'm going to use this blackberry sugar one. It's super thick. And it works really good for no glue slime recipes. So I'm going to add a little bit into there, just like that. And the hand sanitizer will act simply as the activator for this. So I don't have much left. I probably should have got another one out. But you only need a few drops. Okay, I got like 1 drop into there, but I'm just going to move in with this one, which is strawberry pound cake. Put a few drops into there, as you can see. And all you have to do for this recipe is mix it up. You want to mix it till it's super thickened. So it looks like enough mixing. And the debunking part of this recipe is people wonder how alcohol, which is the hand sanitizer, can freeze and stuff. You don't actually put it into the freezer, you put it into the refrigerator, and I add more soap into there than the actual hand sanitizer, so it thickens up and stuff. So I will see you guys in about a second, and what you guys will have to do is put this into the refrigerator for about 3 hours, and every 30 minutes make sure to look at it and mix it up. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it is all done. Okay guys, 3 hours later, here is a no glue hand sanitizer slime, and let's get a look at this. Wow, can you see some of the hand sanitizer beads still in there? This made slime. So this is me debunking the recipe. You can see it's a little bit runny just because this does melt pretty fast. This is one of the slime recipes, no glue slime recipes that melt super fast just because of the fact that it's hand sanitizer and soap, and really you're just putting it into the refrigerator. But this is how you make no glue hand sanitizer slime. It's super cool and neat, and this recipe is just so easy to make. So that is my first recipe for this video today. Let's move on to the next one, which is toilet paper slime. Okay guys, let's get into toilet paper slime. Also, I cannot do long nails. Those were press-on long nails I had for this recipe, and they were just not working for me at all. So we just have my plain old nails for this recipe today. But to make a no glue paper slime, all you guys will need is any type of body wash. Again, I'm using this one I got from the Dollar Tree actually. You guys will need toilet paper, of course. You can use any type. You guys will need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, again, you guys will need a mixing tool. So no glue toilet paper slime is a really simple and easy recipe to make. You guys will just need to add your soap into your boiler plate. And next, all you guys have to do is shred up your toilet paper. So basically the toilet paper is going to act as almost like a, I guess, clay-like texture for this recipe. And you guys have probably seen me do this maybe like a million times on my channel, but you're just going to shred it up, put it into your boiler plate, mix it up, and you want it to get super thickened and bubbly till it makes kind of like a paste-like texture. Okay guys, I mixed this up so much and you can see how it's kind of like a pasty like texture now and the paper is slowly melting into there. A lot of it actually already melted in, which is awesome. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes mix it up. If it looks like it needs some more soap, add more soap. And if it looks like it's a little bit, you know, too runny, add a little bit more toilet paper. But what this recipe does is it basically melts in the toilet paper to make kind of like a pasty like butter-like texture. And it will make a really cool slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this recipe is all done. Okay guys, a few hours later, here is the slime. Let's see how it turned out. And it looks like there's actually some toilet paper still stuck to this. Look at this texture. Oh my gosh, very, very sticky. That's also another thing about no glue slime recipes. They can be super, super sticky, kind of like this right now. Like, look, it's like all over me. But this made no glue paper slime. There's actually still some paper actually stuck in here. But as you can tell, a lot of it mixed into the actual slime-like texture. And this is just a really awesome texture. So probably one of the best no glue paper slimes I've made, other than the fact it's so sticky. But that's how no glue slime recipes can be. Sometimes they don't go the way you want them to go. But hey, it turned out really cool. And this is how you make no glue paper slime. It's super thick and butter-like texture. And this recipe just turned out so great. But yeah, let's move on to the last and final no glue slime recipe I'll be exposing today, which is lotion slime. So let's move on to that recipe. No glue lotion slime is another recipe on my channel that went super viral and I've done a bunch of times for you guys and you guys seem to love it. So let's get exposing no glue slime recipe today by showing you guys the ingredients. The ingredients you guys will need to make no glue slime recipe is lotion, of course. I'm using this Bath & Body Works one. You guys will need shaving cream, a bowl or plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will of course need a mixing tool. So this recipe is super easy to make and it's actually one of my favorite all-time no glue slime recipes just because of how easy it is. You guys need to add your lotion into your bowl or plate. That looks like how much I'll be needing, and I love the mini size of the Bath & Body Works lotions. Are so cute. And then I'm going to add in my shaving cream. I'm only going to add about that much. And the shaving cream will basically thicken up the lotion even more than how it is already. So I'm going to get doing that now. Okay, that looks like enough mixing. Wow, I cannot speak today. But look how thick this is. So thick. So what I will do now is I will put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. That seems to be like a trend with my no glue slime recipes. It's just kind of like a good amount of time in the fridge to, you know, mix together and get thickened. So I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours every 30 minutes and mix it, of course, and see if it's working well. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this recipe is all done. Okay guys, about 3 hours later, here it is. Let me move this out of the way and show you guys how this slime turned out. Oh my gosh. It's so fluffy, I can't get over this. It made such a really cool like shaving cream slime. And the lotion definitely made it a lot stretchy. Well, a lot more stretchy. So you can tell it was super runny before. But this recipe turned out so great. I'm so happy with this one. This one probably has to be one of the best ones from today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope I gave you guys some clarity on no glue slime recipes and I exposed them a little bit. I just want you guys to know I'm very truthful with my no glue slime recipes, and if some of them don't work, it's really what you're using to make them. The different ingredients can affect it, and even the time it's in the refrigerator. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. But if you guys like this video, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector and the comment down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys. I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!